If you searched how to buy shares of Hong Kong exchanges and clearing, this quick guide will walk you through the steps for the company that operates exchange and clearing services and trades on HKEX under ticker 00388 HK. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker 00388 HK. Select the Hong Kong exchanges and clearing listing to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct HKEX listing. Double-check the ticker 00388 HK and the company name before proceeding. To invest, click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading opens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is filled. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the example shown.